Have you ever wondered why some people in their 70s can still walk briskly, climb stairs without holding the rail, while others, the same age, struggle with creaky knees and stiff joints? The secret lies in collagen, the biological glue that holds every joint in your body together. What most people don't realize is that after age 60, your body nearly stops producing collagen naturally, causing cartilage to thin, bones to rub together, and pain to become a daily companion. The good news? You don't need expensive supplements to rebuild collagen. Your body can still make it naturally if you know how to trigger the process with the right foods. Let's explore the 5 foods that nutrition experts call the golden keys to regenerating cartilage and saving your joints after 65. When people hear boost collagen, they often think of bone broth or pills. But in truth, fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are among nature's most powerful collagen activators. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation inside the joints and protect the cell membranes of cartilage. A study from the American Nutrition Institute found that people who regularly consume omega-3s have a 30% lower risk of developing knee osteoarthritis. Even better, the skin and bones of fish are rich in glycine and proline, 2 amino acids essential for natural collagen synthesis. You don't need to overdo it. Just 2 servings of fatty fish per week can noticeably improve joint flexibility. If you dislike the fishy smell, steam or grill the fish lightly with lemon and ginger. This not only removes odor, but also enhances collagen absorption. Long before collagen peptides became a buzzword, our grandparents had already discovered a miracle elixir: slow-cooked bone broth. Beef bones, chicken joints, even fish heads, when simmered for hours, release gelatin, a natural form of collagen. Gelatin helps soften cartilage and improves the elasticity of ligaments, parts of the body that often stiffen with age. Here's the little-known part. Vitamin C acts as the catalyst that makes collagen from bone broth come alive. So if you're drinking bone broth, add a few drops of lemon juice or eat it with leafy greens. Your body will absorb twice as much collagen. Choose marrow or joint bones, simmer for at least 6 hours, and don't skim off the fatty layer. That's where valuable amino acids live. Ever notice the thin film inside an eggshell? That's pure natural collagen. The yolk is also rich in sulfur, a mineral essential for activating the enzymes that produce collagen in the body. A study from Kyoto University in Japan revealed that older adults who ate 3 to 4 eggs weekly had 15% higher cartilage density than those who didn't. Egg yolks also contain choline, which helps the liver produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that reduces muscle and joint pain. Avoid frying eggs in oil. Oxidized fats destroy collagen. The best way is soft boiling or steaming them. Spinach, kale, and broccoli aren't just heart-friendly, they're also collagen protectors. They're packed with vitamin C, lutein, and beta-carotene, powerful antioxidants that prevent collagen breakdown by neutralizing free radicals, the main culprits behind joint degeneration. Some greens, like kale, even stimulate the enzyme prolyl hydroxylase, directly involved in creating new collagen fibers. Pair leafy greens with olive oil or salmon in your lunch. The healthy fats help absorb fat-soluble vitamins and amplify joint protection. If you think only bone broth contains collagen, think again. Collagen cannot function without vitamin C. Oranges, lemons, strawberries, and blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins and vitamin C, which trigger the body's collagen production. Harvard researchers found that people who consume citrus fruits daily slowed cartilage aging by 33%. Even better, anthocyanins in berries help block collagenase, the enzyme that destroys your existing collagen. So berries not only build new collagen, but also protect the old one from breaking down. Eat them right after a main meal or blend them into a smoothie with chia seeds. It keeps you full and supports joint flexibility. There's no magic pill that can replace your body's own healing mechanism. When you combine these 5 food groups, fatty fish, bone broth, eggs, greens, and citrus, your body reawakens its ability to produce collagen, resulting in thicker, more elastic cartilage, reduced joint stiffness and inflammation, improved mobility and energy, and most importantly, the freedom to move, the true symbol of aging gracefully. Don't wait until your knees start cracking to take action. Collagen isn't just about looking young, it's the foundation of lifelong mobility. Now that you know the 5 key foods that trigger natural collagen production, let's go deeper into the how. Because knowing what to eat is one thing. Eating it the right way, in the right combinations, is what turns ordinary meals into powerful joint medicine. Let's turn theory into practice with simple, realistic meal examples anyone over 60 can follow, even if cooking isn't your thing. Menu example: 1 soft boiled egg, not fried. 1 small bowl of oatmeal topped with blueberries or strawberries. 1 cup of green tea or warm lemon water. Why it works: eggs provide sulfur and amino acids, the raw materials for collagen. The berries add vitamin C and anthocyanins to activate collagen formation. And lemon water boosts absorption while gently detoxifying the liver, which is essential for joint health. Add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds to your oatmeal. The omega-3s inside them multiply your collagen synthesis effect. Menu example: grilled salmon or mackerel, about 100-150 green. Stir-fry kale or spinach with olive oil. Half an orange or a small bowl of papaya for dessert. This is the perfect trio of omega-3, antioxidants, and vitamin C. The olive oil helps your body absorb lutein and beta-carotene from the greens. The result? A powerful anti-inflammatory effect that protects and rebuilds cartilage. If you can't find fresh fish, use canned sardines and olive oil. The bones inside are edible and full of collagen. Menu example: a small bowl of bone broth soup, simmered at least 6 hours. Steamed vegetables or sweet potato. 1 slice of whole grain bread or brown rice. Why it works: bone broth is your nighttime collagen refill. The gelatin it contains coats your joints while you sleep. Pairing it with slow carbs like sweet potatoes provides steady energy for the collagen building process that happens overnight. Add a squeeze of lime before serving the broth. That tiny touch of vitamin C helps your body absorb the collagen twice as effectively. You can eat the best collagen foods in the world, but if you're dehydrated, your body can't use them properly. Collagen fibers need water to stay flexible. Without it, they become brittle and your joints feel stiff. Rule of thumb: drink at least 30 ml of water per kilogram of body weight every day. Example: if you weigh 60 kilos, aim for around 1.8 liters daily. Herbal teas or infused water with lemon, cucumber, or mint also count. Collagen production doesn't depend on food alone. These small daily habits can make or break your progress. Move every day. Light walking or stretching increases blood flow, delivering amino acids and oxygen to your joints. Sleep before 11 p.m. Collagen synthesis peaks between midnight and 2 a.m. Miss that window, and your body loses its repair time. Avoid excessive sugar and alcohol. They accelerate glycation, a process that literally hardens your collagen fibers, making joints stiffer. Protect from UV exposure. Collagen isn't just in your skin. UV light can damage it throughout connective tissue. Balance protein intake. Too much red meat without vitamin C leads to incomplete collagen synthesis. Always pair protein with greens or fruit. If you start integrating even half of these tips for just 3 weeks, you'll begin to notice your morning stiffness ease, your knees bend more comfortably, and your energy return. Because collagen doesn't just rebuild your joints, it revives your mobility, confidence, and independence. Here's the truth most doctors won't tell you. Even if you eat perfectly, your body can still lose collagen faster than it builds it if you're under chronic stress. Yes, Stress is the silent collagen killer. When your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone, it directly suppresses collagen synthesis. Over time, cortisol acts like acid on your joints, drying out cartilage, stiffening ligaments, and causing microinflammation that never fully heals. That's why some people who do everything right, eat well, exercise, sleep enough, still struggle with pain or joint weakness. Their stress chemistry is sabotaging their biology. Deep breathing before meals. Take 5 slow breaths before eating. This shifts your body into a rest and digest state, allowing better absorption of nutrients and amino acids that form collagen. Gentle evening movement. Light yoga or 10 minutes of stretching reduces cortisol levels by up to 40% and stimulates blood flow to cartilage. Gratitude before bed. It might sound simple, but studies show gratitude journaling boosts serotonin, a hormone that counters cortisol and supports nighttime tissue repair. Laugh daily. Laughter reduces muscle tension, improves oxygen flow, and surprisingly, increases collagen synthesis by enhancing cellular communication. Stress management isn't a luxury. It's part of the collagen equation. Because no amount of fish or broth can undo the damage of unhealed stress. If you remember nothing else, remember this framework, your collagen code for ageless movement. Feed it. Eat omega-3 rich fish, bone broth, eggs, leafy greens, and citrus fruits. Fuel it. Stay hydrated and pair protein with vitamin C. Protect it. Manage stress, sleep deeply, and move gently. Sustain it. Avoid sugar, processed foods, and late nights. When you live by this pattern for 90 days, your body starts to rebuild its natural joint cushion. The stiffness fades, balance improves, and your steps feel lighter, not because you reversed time, but because you activated the wisdom your body already had. Your joints are not just mechanical parts. They are the foundation of your independence. The ability to walk, to reach, to hug your loved ones. These are the moments collagen gives back to you. You don't need to chase youth. You only need to restore the natural intelligence of your body. One mindful meal, one deep breath, one calm night at a time. Because age doesn't define how you move. Your choices do. And when those choices nourish your collagen, your movement becomes timeless.